Friday night. I hope you're all right. We'll find out soon who's won £290,000. Our single biggest cash giveaway ever on the cash register. There goes Mojo. Here comes the mix till 6. Which we would love you to be part of tonight as well.
61025, Gary, at the start of your message, your plans, your movements, what you're up to. You celebrating this weekend, or is it the weekend before payday and you're crawling towards it? 61025. Remember, put your name in it as well, and I'll remember to breathe during it, hopefully, too. That'll be great.
I mean, what we're looking for are the weekly mob here. Do you get paid weekly? Which we've all decided really, it sounds great, but it's probably not.
Yeah, because then by Monday it's gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, 61025. Garrett to start your message. He'll take care of the tunes. I'll do the important stuff. Obviously, the shouts.
And we'll get the latest on the roads next. It's Q with Jordan and Perry.
MFR.
Yeah, been selected one number at random from everyone who's entered across all participating radio stations.
To win, just dance within 5 rings and make sure you know this week's cash register amount.
Hello.
Hi, it's Jordan Banjo and Perry Kiley here with this week's cash register. Who am I speaking to?
Billy.
Well, firstly, Billy, I know amazing that news that you've picked up the phone. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself? What do you do for a living, Billy?
Electrician.
You're an electrician.
Amazing. How long have you been doing that for?
6 years.
6 years. Okay, look, Billy, we know that obviously you entered cash register today. You're probably quite shocked to receive this call right now, aren't you?
Aye.
I bet, mate.
Yeah.
Listen, look, if you did win this money, what could it do for you, Billy? What could it do for your life?
Oh, it's been amazing, man. It's been wild.
All right, well, look.
Buy a house.
Would you buy? Yeah. What is the first thing you'd buy?
A house.
A house. I mean,
Definitely.
is that kind of life-changing cash, right?
Aye.
All right, then, Billy. Listen, we're not gonna keep you in suspense. I feel like we've built the drama enough. It is time for that all-important question. Remember, with cash register, we can only accept your first answer, so make sure you get it right. Here we go. Billy, how much is in the cash register this week?
£290,000.
Billy, you've done it!
No way, man.
Billy, you've done it! You've got 290 grand on its way to you.
No chance.
Bro, I'm telling you now, we are not joking around here. It's absolutely 100% legit. You've just won £290,000.
Oh my God, man.
Look,
Are you in shock?
Aye.
Billy, I've got to know, mate. I mean, tell us, like, family, friends, work colleagues, how are people going to react to this news for you?
I don't know. My mom's at the back door and doesn't know what to do.
Do you know what? In this scenario, I think I'd be the exact same. I feel like this is complete shock. You don't know what you're going to do, but this is it. I feel like your life's changed forever after this moment, right?
Oh, definitely, man. Definitely.
Is there anyone with you right now?
Aye, my mum.
Have you told her the news?
Aye, she doesn't know what to do. She actually at the wind up.
It's not a wind-up. Listen, I'm so sorry you don't know your name, Billy's mum, but I promise you now, your son's £290,000 richer.
Oh my God. Oh.
There you go. Billy, do us a favour. Make sure you treat your mum to something nice as well, please.
Oh, I'll do.
Oh, I'm buzzing for Billy.
I can't believe we just done that.
Absolutely buzzing for him. Life changed forever with £290,000. But get this, right? Fleur East will make the final cash register call next Friday. It is a guaranteed winner, and it is worth £300,000. And make sure you listen after 6 p.m. when we'll tell you how it could all be yours.
Here we go.
This is MFR. We going wild. It's Friday night. Hey, put your hands up in there. Come on. Don't Pause. Press play. It's Friday night. It's Gary Spence with the mix till 6.
Yes, Billy, yes. Okay, we are jumping already with the shout.